Welcome to YOUCANIC. Here we have a Kia with a 2.4-liter engine. Our check engine light is on, and also the engine doesn't really respond to it when you press the accelerator. The vehicle cannot accelerate. So let's take a look at what code we have. Right here we have an OBD2 scanner plugged in right under the dashboard by the fuse panel over there. And then what you're going to do is turn on the ignition, but do not start the engine. And then go to read codes, press enter. And since the check engine light is staying on, that means there will be stored codes. We got 1, 2, 3 in the top right corner. It says 1 out of 3, so we have 3 codes here. We're gonna look. The first one is the throttle pedal position sensor, circuit B, circuit low. Next, throttle pedal position sensor, circuit high, and then we have P201. And it says throttle actuator control motor circuit, and the previous one was P0123. So let's take a look at what's causing these 3 codes in this vehicle and where that sensor is located. So right here we have the engine. This is the intake manifold. The engine cover, we removed it. You simply lift it up. The throttle body is right here. Now those codes typically indicate a problem with this. The most likely cause is going to be a faulty throttle body. Now keep in mind, you might have an issue with the connector down here. You might have a problem with the electrical wires that come to it, or you might have a problem with the ECU, the engine control unit itself. But those are less likely causes. The most likely is going to be this throttle body right here. And to replace it, you need to remove this intake hose right here. You have a clamp on this side. You have a clamp right down here, but then you can pull this off, and you have one bolt here, another bolt back there, and 2 bolts on the bottom. Those are 10mm bolts that you need to take off. You have an electrical connector. You can get right through here and unplug it. You have to press it and then pull it away, and then you can slide this out and up to remove it. You have a gasket here that needs to be replaced. It's recommended to replace that when you replace the throttle body, but reinstall it in reverse order, put everything back together. Then you can make sure you connect the electrical wire down here, electrical connector, and make sure that it clicks. If it doesn't click, it might not be locked in place and it might not be making good contact. But also, even if it is, it might get loose over time. So make sure this right here is plugged in and clicked in place. And you can use the scanner to go back and clear those codes and clear that check engine light. Right here, you listen to that, and that should click. I'm pressing the connector all the way in, and that's locked in place. So that's all. Thanks for watching.